Are you thinking about selling your home in Austin and wondering what updates will help you attract better offers? In today's competitive market, the right updates can make a huge difference in how the home is perceived and ultimately the price you can get for it. Today, I'm going to share some of the most impactful updates you can make to boost your home's appeal and attract top dollar. Number one, kitchen renovation, the heart of the home. In Austin, the kitchen is a major selling point. Buyers love modern, functional kitchens, and investing in some key upgrades here can make a significant difference. If your kitchen feels outdated, start with simple improvements like updating appliances to energy-efficient models, replacing countertops with durable, modern materials like granite or quartz, adding a fresh coat of paint or new cabinetry hardware. These updates don't need to break the bank, but they can drastically improve the look and feel of your kitchen, making it more appealing to buyers and encouraging better offers. Number two, bathroom upgrades. Create a spa-like experience. Bathrooms are another area that can provide a strong return on investment. Austin buyers love to see a clean, modern bathroom that feels like a retreat. Some upgrades to consider include installing a new vanity, mirrors, or stylish lighting, replacing old tiles or adding a fresh coat of paint, upgrading the shower with a glass enclosure or new fixtures. Small updates like these can help create that wow factor, which will make your home stand out to buyers and give you an edge in a competitive market. Number three, curb appeal. The first impression matters. As they say, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. Curb appeal is crucial, especially in Austin, where outdoor living is a huge draw. To make your home more inviting, consider these updates. Freshen up your landscaping with plants, flowers, and trimmed shrubs. Paint or replace your front door for a more welcoming look. Pressure wash the driveway, walkway, and exterior to eliminate dirt or mildew. These small, inexpensive updates can make your home stand out from the competition and get potential buyers excited before they even step inside. Number four, smart home technology, modern touches for a competitive edge. As Austin is one of the most tech-savvy cities in the US, incorporating smart home features can make your property more attractive to buyers. Some high-impact updates include installing a smart thermostat like Nest for energy efficiency, adding smart lights, locks, or security cameras for convenience and safety, setting up a smart irrigation system to help maintain the landscaping. These upgrades can create a modern, convenient living experience that today's buyers crave, setting your home apart and potentially raising your sale price. Number five, neutral paint colors and clean spaces. Lastly, one of the easiest, most affordable updates is simply painting your home in neutral, on-trend colors. Austin buyers tend to appreciate clean, fresh spaces, so choosing soft grays, whites, or light beiges can make your home feel more modern and expansive. Paired with a deep cleaning of carpets and floors, this simple update can give your home a fresh, updated vibe without requiring major renovations. If you're ready to sell your home and want to make updates that will attract better offers, I can help guide you through the process. We also offer a comparative market analysis and a remodel analysis. Even if you're not looking to sell your home right now, you can reach out to us and we'll help you decide which upgrades are going to be marketable if you ever did have to sell. We also have great contractors, and we're not just here for the sale of your home. We're here to make your home life successful and be the realtor for your life and help you with all your home needs. With my expertise in the Austin market, I'll help you prioritize the updates that will give you the best return on investment and get your top dollar for your home. Reach out today to schedule your consultation, and let's get your home sold quickly and for the best price.